Hi, and welcome to Your Digital Library. This tutorial focuses on how to find a specific book using Destiny Discover. Your teacher librarians are here to help. You can find Destiny Discover at yourdigitallibrary.org, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram at your_digital library. The essential questions for this tutorial are: what ways can I search for a book in Destiny Discover? Where can I find the book? And if I have more questions, who do I ask? The skills that you will learn in this tutorial meet multiple standards across the curriculum. These standards include the American Association of School Librarians standards, college and career readiness standards, International Society for Technology and Education standards for students, and standards for career-ready practice. Looking for a specific book in Destiny Discover is available for Adolfo Camarillo, Channel Islands, Frontier, Hueneme, Oxnard, Pacifica, and Rio Mesa high schools. The 4 ways that we are going to look for a book in Destiny Discover are keyword, title, author, and subject searches. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to 1. Use the search options for keyword, title, author, or subject. Find the book you want. And 3. Ask one of your teacher librarians for help. Begin your exploration at yourdigitallibrary.org, or if you have already added Destiny Discover on your phone, you can search for your specific book on your phone. For this tutorial, I will be using yourdigitallibrary.org. Once you have landed on your digital library homepage, we simply need to scroll down until we see Destiny Discover. Remember, if you forget how to log in, you can always find the info here. Since I, Mrs. Bricky, am the teacher librarian at Oxnard High School will be our example for this tutorial. Once you are at your Destiny Discover homepage, don't forget to log in. Remember that you can log in with your school Google account at oxnardunion.org to personalize your search experience. For today, I am not going to log in and just show you how to search for specific books. For example, if I want to find a book in the library that mentions dragons, I'm going to type in the word dragons. Once I do that, I'm also going to go over here to the right where it says search options, and I'm going to make sure that keyword is selected. What this means is that the card catalog is going to search every book in the library that mentions dragons. It might be in the title, it might be in the description, but these are all of the books that the library has to offer about dragons that mention them in some way, shape, or form. In order to find these books, I'm going to look at the call number. If the book starts with a number, that means it can be found in nonfiction. If it starts with FIC, for example, like Here There Be Dragons, then I'm going to make sure I go to the fiction section. If I want to find a book by a specific person, I can also do an author search. This is really helpful if you've read a book by a particular author and you want to see what other books that author has written. For today's author search, I'm going to use the very popular author Jason Reynolds, who wrote the very popular Project Lit book, Long Way Down. So I type in Jason Reynolds, go to my search options, and now I need to make sure I select author and search. And here it gives me a list of all of the books that Jason Reynolds has available in the library. Again, notice how some might have a number and some might say FIC for which section I need to go to in order to pull that book off the shelf. In addition to author and keyword searches, I can also do a title search. I'm going to look for The Hate U Give, another very popular title amongst the OUHSD students. When I click again on options, I want to make sure I change this to title so then I can see if we have it available. The cool thing about Destiny Discover is it lets me know if it's checked in. And I also see that there are some book reviews here. So if I want to read a little bit about what others think about The Hate U Give, I can before I check it out. Again, this call number is Fiction THO, which means that this is a made up story that I can find in the fiction section. Lastly, maybe you want to search by subject: romance, comedy, adventure, science fiction. For today, I'm going to do a search for horror. So that means any book that in the library that falls under the subject of horror will pop up. I'm going to make sure I select subject so I get the results that I want, and a list of horror books will pop up. Again, notice how some of these might be found in the nonfiction section, and that's because many of these are short story compilations. They are fiction, short stories, fiction, and again, I can see whether or not it's in. Stephen King, one of the popular horror writers, many of his books are checked out. I also encourage you to play with the filters. Over here, I can filter by author. If I want to look and see what authors are available, I can play with that. I can do the same for subject. And another helpful thing is genre, which tells me what kind of book this is. Thank you, Savvy Scholars. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial about how to find a specific book in Destiny Discover. Please reach out to your teacher librarians if you need more help. You can find our contact information at yourdigitallibrary.org. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram at your_digital_library. If you need to contact us, here is our information for specific questions.